5 mind-blowing CSS shorthands. 1. Text decoration. Instead of writing each individual property like text decoration line, text decoration color, and text decoration style separately, you can simplify your CSS by using the text decoration shorthand. This allows you to combine all of these properties into one single line, making your code cleaner and easier to manage. For example, instead of defining each property individually, you can specify them together in a single declaration like text decoration, underline red solid. This shorthand saves space and reduces repetition in your style. 2. Border radius. The border radius shorthand lets you set different values for each corner of an element, which makes it much easier to create unique, custom shapes. Instead of applying separate border radius values to each corner individually, you can use this shorthand to define one value for each corner in a simple, compact way. For example, you can specify different radii for the top left, top right, and bottom left corners all in a single line. This gives you more flexibility to design elements with rounded corners that fit your specific layout or design needs. 3. List style. Instead of setting each property like list style type, list style position, and list style image individually, you can use the list style shorthand to group them all together in one line. This makes your CSS cleaner and more efficient. For example, instead of writing separate declarations for each, you can combine them into a single rule like list style, disk inside URL icon, TNG, which sets the list type, position, and image all at once. Using the shorthand simplifies your code and saves you time while achieving the same result. 4. Flex flow. The flex flow shorthand combines the flex direction and flex wrap properties into one simple declaration, making your flexbox code much easier to write and manage. Instead of defining flex direction and flex wrap separately, you can use flex flow to set both properties in a single line. For example, flex flow, row wrap, is equivalent to setting flex direction, row, and flex wrap, wrap, individually. This shorthand is perfect for simplifying your flexbox layouts, especially when you're working with more complex designs. It saves space and keeps your code neat and concise. 5. Transition. The transition shorthand in CSS lets you define the property, duration, timing function, and delay all in one line. Instead of writing each property separately, you can combine them for a cleaner, more efficient code. This makes it easier to manage transitions, especially in complex layouts, by reducing redundancy and keeping your CSS concise. Plus, you don't have to include every value. If you don't need a delay or a custom timing function, you can simply omit them.
Please like, share, and subscribe DevTools99 for more technical and educational videos. Thank you for watching.